right.
1 year old.
We got a nut on the back side, probably.
Mr. Allen,
Yeah.
you deserve a better credit score. Sometimes you need help.
I just held it.
Oh, you got it.
Take it. Get started at chime.com.
After an auto accident, insurance companies will try to outsmart you and pay as little as possible.
I was stopped in traffic. The car hit me from behind. After the accident, I had neck surgery. My medical bills skyrocketed, so I called an attorney from Bouquet Legal. He started working on my case at no upfront cost.
All right, then you got this one? Or was that?
Which one?
Oh, you didn't take that out?
No, it's been out apparently.
Apparently it's not on there.
Oh no.
Good thing you're taking it apart, huh?
Yeah.
All right, then there's one down here that's going to be a 10, probably this 10 here.
At Bouquet Legal, our attorneys know exactly how big insurance thinks and how to outsmart them. That's all we do, day in and day out. Your consultation is free and you pay nothing unless you win. Call 1-800-818-5800 for a free consultation. That's 1-800-818-5800.
Where is it?
Down here.
If something happens to you, what happens to your family?
Yeah.
That's right. People die every day, leaving loved ones struggling
Then
to pay their monthly bills, mortgage, or rent. Plus
take
pay
the hook.
funeral costs
Get your local hooker.
$10,000. And on top of all the monthly bills, 70% of Americans die with over $60,000 in debt.
And you just
Don't leave your family with having to pay for your funeral.
grab the
plus
spring and
paying your bills.
yank.
You can cover and protect your family.
Hit
for
the other
less
one down
than
here.
$1 a day. Listen,
This side.
you'll spend more than $1 on every cup of
Because it's
coffee.
down here.
You'll spend way more than $1 a day on your cell phone. But now, for less than $1,
Yeah, it might be a little harder to get on there.
one quick call and get covered right over the phone. Acceptance is guaranteed.
Yeah, that one's sort of in a bad spot, isn't
Don't
it?
leave your family with a
Here.
huge bill to cover your
What
funeral
about pulling it off
expenses.
this side?
We can help.
No, you
800
trapped there.
2244 now
Here.
for free and get coverage for you and your family.
Pry it off.
No, move it so you can put the hook on it there. Now you can get the hook on her.
Absolutely free.
Other, yeah.
Losing you would be hard enough. Don't leave your family with a lot of bills to
There you go.
Put down that coffee and pick up that cell
just
phone
yank
and
it
call
that
the
way,
Life
kinda.
Insurance Savings Group now at 800-887-2244. Rates start at less than $1 a day, and there are some plans available in which
There you go.
acceptance is guaranteed right over the phone.
And then the pipe should wiggle off.
Regardless of your
But you're going to be on here, so you got to kind of...
nothing's more important than family. Whether you
Oh, that one's... Oh, that one's broken. It's going to
final expenses,
have to be replaced.
$1,000 to replace your
Yep.
call the Life Insurance Savings Group and get the
Good thing you're taking her apart.
rates start at less than $1 a day.
My exhaust was like held on by one thing.
Yeah.
800-887-2244.
You see the hook. Oh, there it is.
The tool?
Yeah. It was holding up her.
Check your free credit
Some other
scores.
crap on here. Holy cow.
Research.
Interest in the
It's so great. Isn't it?
Out of the way.
Oh.
Sorry, on the garage, all we got's
See you coming out here in round
Crap.
3. And John,
Ooh.
house. And I lay in bed.
Yep. There you go.
Time you want.
That I am trying. And what I'm saying, sir.
Oh, bunch of crap.
More captivating way, not just, oh, here's breaking news and here's hard news, but how is this
It's the news.
Everyone has a story
Yeah,
to tell,
it's-
and it can be emotional. It can be
Pull that other end of it off right there. I think that's a 5/16 or 8mm.
Stories to brighten people's day, especially
And
for
we'll
the
get
morning.
another one.
People don't want to start their day on a bad note. They want
I
to
might
see
have one, I don't know.
stories and start their day on a good note and be like, hey, I know that person in my community, but I didn't even know they were doing that positive.
We'll have to look through the parts
Spread
bin.
the news that's positive, and tell people stories in these neighborhoods specifically for them. People in these neighborhoods care, and they want to hear what's going on in their community, and that's what we're here for.
A semi-truck hit me. I had many broken bones that required surgery.
Alright,
The Sam Bernstein law
see that. Take this radiator loose.
Is that the same size?
Yeah, right there and down there. One more in here.
Where are you putting those?
Huh?
Where are you putting those?
In that tub there. Just throw it in the tub. Give me some snips. Cut this zip tie. Yeah. All right. Let's just get the 12mm wrench. There you go. And pull the, just take the clutch cable out of the way. Take that nut loose.
There's just something we could do.
We're doing something.
Yeah, it's gonna go that way.
We're waiting. And praying.
But we do have a reverse thread on this. Underneath this cover for the power valve, the nut is backwards.
It's threaded backwards.
Yeah.
Storm's right over the hollow.
It's righty-loosey.
Yeah, so is my weed whacker. I learned that most weed whackers are reverse threaded.
Faith, John. Faith.
You have to take it all the way down.
Yeah, pull that all the way off. Let me get this loosened up here.
Okay, it's all the way off.
All right, hold on. Let me get this slacked for him. All right, now that can pull out of that. Yep, and slide him out. And then it unhooks from that. You have to push it in and pull it out. Like, pull that boot back. Pull that boot back off of it.
Oh, I see.
Pull this boot back. There. Now, take the cable and push that in. And then pull it out. There you go. Just kind of hang him off. You're good there. Need that clamp.
Believe that God hears you when you pray?
Oh, yeah.